Hey guys, Aussie Steve here from Home Buyer Louisiana. We buy houses in any condition in Louisiana. I'm here at a house we're looking to purchase. We're on the west bank of Jefferson Parish in Westwego. This property, you can probably already tell, is not ready for a homeowner. Definitely a sort of property that's sold as is. We actually have a connection to the owner. He is another investor. He's out of state now, and just he was doing his projects. His intention was to flip it. I'll show you around. He's, done a bunch of stuff. He's, made some good progress, but he's ready to sell and move on. He doesn't really want to finish it. He's got other priorities now. So, he could finish it. He has the ability to finish it, but, just sometimes, we buy a lot of houses that people don't know how to rehab and don't really want to do it. But we also buy a lot of houses that people can rehab, but it's just, they make a decision to suit them. He could fix his house, but he's got other priorities that are more important to him. So for him, he's like, you know what? I'll sell it to another investor. I'll just sell it cash as is in its current position, and I'll get out and I'll move on. And of course, if he finished it with his ability, he could do this pretty well, and he could make more money if he finishes it. Obviously, he needs to sell at a price, where it's worth our while to put in the finishing touches and finish the house. So. But, to him it makes sense, because just because he could doesn't mean he wants to and doesn't mean he should. And, he's making a calculated decision for himself to move on to the next project. So, we buy lots of houses like this, and we do buy from a lot of other investors, Sometimes you just want to move on and focus on other things, and if that's the case, we're happy to buy as is. If your house looks really beautiful and it's ready for an end user, we're not your buyer. You're best to sell through a realtor, get a homeowner, get someone that's going to use bank financing and stretch themselves and pay the most, right? But when you have a house like this, we're a really good buyer, because we'll buy cash as is. Don't need to get bank appraisals, no approvals. We're buying it with cash, so we make the call and we buy it. We'll buy it as is. You don't need to clean it out. We'll take over it, and then we come in, and that's where we add value. We use our crews and our people and our partners to update the house and turn it. Some of them we keep as rentals, some of them we sell, some of them we partner on. Just depends on the property. But yeah, this one's pretty straightforward as to why it's an as-is sale. You can tell he's done some framing and plumbing, so he's done some work here. It's not. We definitely buy work. As much as this doesn't look great, we actually buy a lot worse. You can see there was a fair amount of termite activity. So there is some termite stuff, and we're probably going to want to replace some of that. But he's replaced a good deal. You can see the fresh wood. See, you can tell the color's different. There's the older wood and the newer wood. So he's already done some framing. He's done the electrics. You can see he's got new doors, new windows. He's got a plan. Look, so he's got the this is for the washer hookup. So, he's made progress. And again, he could finish it, but again, he's got other priorities. So, he's going to turn it over to us, and that can become our job. So, if you have a house you want to sell, just something that you don't want to mess with anymore, that you're just ready to let go, we'll pay a fair price, right? We'll pay more than you probably think, because, while we need to make money, we're buying it to be able to add value and make money. We have crews and we do this for a living, so we're generally pretty efficient at fixing houses. So particularly if this guy is actually a flipper. So this guy, he could do it like us. But for lots of people who aren't flippers, maybe you inherited a property, it's like you could fix it up yourself, but you're probably going to spend a lot more and probably going to encounter a lot more problems than we would. So often you're just easier, and you actually end up making more money, and it's going to be way easier and hassle-free if you just sell it as is for cash to an investor like us. So, that's definitely an option. Or if you have the skills, fix it up yourself for sure. If you want more information on selling your house to a cash buyer like us, go to our website, homebuyerlouisiana.com. We're always happy to chat about your options. We are very far from being pushy. If we do not try to buy every house from every person we speak to, right? If you call us, it's likely we may not be your buyer, but we'll have a conversation. We'll find out your situation. We'll see what we think, and we'll give you some options. And sometimes that option isn't us, and that's fine. We do not need to buy your house. We will just have a good conversation if it fits, right? If it works for you and it works for us, then great. We'd love to buy your house, but we don't have to. There's no high pressure. We'll just talk about your situation, let you know where we would fit in as an option. And if that is your best option that you consider, then great. We'd love to do business. If you have a better option, fantastic. We absolutely wish you all the best with that. So thanks, guys. I appreciate your time. Have a good one.